In this video, I'm going to share how I was able to make over 20,000 Ghana cedis with the help of my smartphone and internet connection. I'm also going to show you the trick that I use that helped me to close this sale, so that if you're someone who is also interested in increasing your income, or you are trying to make some significant amount of money to start a business and all that, this particular trick or strategy is really going to help you. So if you're someone who is interested, let's get started. Now, for you to get this point very well, I want you to take your time and watch the video. Guys, if you're watching finance videos, it's different from entertainment. You know, finance videos, you can't go straight to the point, because if you go straight to the point, there's money involved and people's emotions are also involved. So if someone gets something wrong or did not understand something, they'll go back and ask you questions in your email, in your DM, and wherever it is. So you have to be explaining to them one by one over there before going by your day job as well. You see, so that's why we take our time to explain everything for you to understand. So if you want to actually use your smartphone to start earning something for yourself, one thing you need is either a product or a service, like something that you can actually sell to someone so that you make a profit. And in most cases, you don't need a product all from yourself. Let's say you don't need to own a product or own a service before you start earning money from it. One thing you can do is that you can sell for people. Let's say if people have product out there, maybe someone has gallons of oil, you can actually sell for the person and you make a commission on it. Most people in Ghana here will not give you the chance, but there are few people there that will understand you and give you the opportunity to sell their products. So in my case was real estate agency, where people have properties and I go there to advertise the properties for them. So I've been sharing this on the channel for a very long time, but at this point I've made a significant sales. I think this is the best sales ever that I've made, which is over 20,000 Ghana cedis. Just to let you know that there are a lot of people that are taking advantage of other people's product and services. For instance, right now we have a company called Websoft. Websoft is software engineering or an IT company. So what they do is that they have an affiliate link or an affiliate program. So you can just go there and sign up to their affiliate program. If you sign up to their affiliate program, all you need is to refer someone to their page. Now all you have to do is to refer someone to their page. Then the person himself will come and be looking at where he or she can the type of service he or she wants. So he will just pick. Anytime the sales go through successfully and the company work for them, you earn a commission from there. Sometimes it can take a long time before they can close a deal, but anytime the deal is closed, you can earn commission from there. And mind you, this commission is not about $1, $2 or $5 and all that. You can earn like $1,000, you can earn like $500 and above. So that's what we term affiliate marketing. So if you are looking for ways and means to increase your income or get capital to start a business, these are some of the things that can help you. You use another person's service and then you market it for the person. Anytime there's a successful sales, you make a commission, or you sell a product for someone and you make a commission on it. So to get started, you have to look for those who actually own this type of product and services that you believe you can sell for them, because it's not everything that you can sell, because maybe there are some products that are supposed to be used in the hospitals. You are not familiar with them. You can't go and be referring this product to other people to go and buy. Or there are some medicines that you've never used it before, so you can't actually recommend people to go and buy these medicines. So that's why you have to make an inquiry and see what you are a bit familiar with. Okay, then you make a commission from there. Recently I listed someone's hotel. Okay, it's not a hotel, Airbnb. I listed someone's Airbnb on booking.com, and then someone made a booking and the person made a total booking of $400. So $400, my own was $40. So that's what I'm talking about. That people have their properties, people have products, you sell for them and you make a commission from it. So basically, guys, this is the fastest way that you can start something even if you don't have any capital. So guys, that's it. So I recommend you to start commission sales, where you sell on commission basis and you make something for yourself. And trust me, guys, sales doesn't come all the time, especially if you're on commission basis and the product you are not guaranteed to make sales. That's why anytime you are on commission sales, find something that can also be getting you some other income from somewhere. Let's say you are a real estate agent, okay? You know that you are not going to be making sales all the time. That's why you need to get something else that can be getting you what money small, so that anytime you close a deal, that deal will be big, and then you keep doing what you are doing. Some people are just looking for capital to start their business. Some people are just looking for capital to start trading. Some people are just looking for capital to do a whole lot of things. So that's why I made this video, because if you don't have money, you can't do any investment. That's why I make this video, to help you at least to get some capital to start doing something small. I believe this particular video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in another video.